Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add or remove the Force RTL layout direction button to the quick settings panel on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on developer options. Next, we go down and tap on quick settings developer tiles. In here, tap on Force RTL layout direction. Once you turn this on, the button will be added to the quick settings panel, and in here you can tap on it to switch it on or turn off. You can see if I turn this on, the layout changes, so it goes from right to left or left to right. And that's it. That's how you can add the button to the quick settings panel. I'm just going to switch it off for now, and you can see that once I turn off these features, it will remove the button from the quick settings panel right here. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.